Hey guys, welcome back to my shop. It's time to start week 7. Got a little bit of Iron Maiden playing in the background this week. So here we go, as per our normal, keeping with some consistency. Quick review of what we did last week. So last week, Monday. Monday we did our check-in. Talked a little bit about what we did the week before. You had a check-in, shared a little bit with me about how your weekend went, what you've been up to, how you're keeping yourself healthy and sane. And we had a kind of weak chat page last week. I think only Anthony and I were talking. So I'd like to see you guys get involved a little bit more so that we can keep in touch. Tuesday, we did our virtual class meeting. We talked about what we were going to do moving forward, try and do something a little bit different for this week. That was direct feedback from what you wanted to hear. And by you, I mean Anthony, because he was the only one who had suggestions. So we did a little bit of feedback. Wednesday, you should be continuing to develop your projects. I don't know if you're working on them through the week or how much time you're putting into it, but I want to give you an opportunity on Wednesdays to make sure that at least during my class block, so you got that hour window where you should be making some progress on your project or projects and making sure that you're documenting that progress. Thursday, we did our weekly presentation, so you can share where you're at with your project, what you've gotten done. As I said, we're going to start a 2-week cycle on this. So last Thursday would have been the first week of this, the first week of the 2-week cycle. So you can present again this week for the second week. If you don't have an opportunity to do your presentation, that's the only thing that I will not go back and give you credit on, because this is an ongoing effort. So I need to see that progress in a 2-week window so that I know that you're keeping up with the expectations. Okay, Friday's time for you to keep up or catch up. Do a little bit of a reflection about how your week was. And again, I just want you to know that I am keeping track of things. You can see the progress in Skyward. Each item is worth 1 point. So if you have the point, it means you've completed it. If there's no score there, there's just the asterisk, that means that's what you're missing. So you can keep track of that and continue to look back on that. So this week, quick preview. We're doing our video today. You have a couple reflections and the chat page you can start. That doesn't mean that you can only do it on Mondays. You can do it all week long. I would really prefer if you looked in it, respond to other people. If a question comes up, put it in there. That way I can respond to it. If you have something immediate, you can always email me, but this gives us another opportunity to keep in touch. This week we're going to do something different. So Tuesday, I'm providing you a link to a video so that you can get a little bit of background information. So we're talking about butt joints. We discussed this when we were in class. So a couple different ways that you can develop that same type of joint. So video does a really nice job comparing something that we've done with some alternatives that you might want to look into. Wednesday, we're going to continue with your project development and creating your presentation. Thursday will be our only virtual meeting this week, so you can share what you've done for your progress. We're also going to do a follow-up to the butt joint video from Tuesday. And then Friday, you can catch up with whatever you're missing. If I need to go back before week 7, please, shoot me an email, let me know when you have something done, and I'll go in and adjust it on Skyward. Have a great week, everybody. If you need anything, reach out and let me know. I'm here for you.